Hey there, welcome to our channel. If you're a fan of healthy eating and are looking to add more nutritious foods to your diet, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be exploring the carbs in avocado and how they can benefit your health. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of avocados. Avocado is a popular fruit that is known for its creamy texture and numerous health benefits. It is a rich source of vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats, making it a great addition to any diet. In recent years, the popularity of avocados has soared, and many people are interested in the nutritional content of this fruit, including its carbohydrate content. In this video, we will explore the carbs in avocado, their benefits, and how they fit into a healthy diet. What are carbohydrates? Carbohydrates are one of the three macronutrients that provide energy to the body, along with protein and fat. They are made up of sugar molecules and are classified into three types: sugar, starch, and fiber. Carbohydrates are essential for the proper functioning of the body, as they are the primary source of energy for the brain and muscles. They are also important for the digestive system, as they help to maintain healthy gut bacteria and prevent constipation. What are the carbs in avocado? Avocado is a low-carb fruit that is high in healthy fats, fiber, and vitamins. The total carbohydrate content of an avocado depends on its size and ripeness. A typical medium-sized avocado contains about 17 grams of carbohydrates, of which 13 grams are fiber. The remaining 4 grams of carbohydrates are in the form of sugar, mainly glucose and fructose. The glycemic index, GI, of avocado is low, which means that it does not cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. This makes avocado a great choice for people who are trying to manage their blood sugar levels, or those following a low-carb or ketogenic diet. Benefits of carbs in avocado. The carbs in avocado provide numerous health benefits, including fiber. The high fiber content in avocado helps to promote healthy digestion and prevent constipation. Fiber also helps to regulate blood sugar levels and reduce cholesterol levels. Vitamins. Avocado is a rich source of vitamins, including vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin K, and B vitamins. These vitamins are essential for maintaining good health and preventing chronic diseases. Minerals. Avocado is a good source of minerals such as potassium, magnesium, and copper. These minerals are important for maintaining healthy blood pressure, strong bones, and a healthy immune system. Healthy fats. Avocado is high in healthy monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. These fats are essential for maintaining good health and reducing the risk of heart disease, stroke, and other chronic diseases. How do carbs in avocado fit into a healthy diet? The carbs in avocado can be included in a healthy diet in various ways. Here are a few suggestions. As a snack, avocado can be sliced and eaten as a snack, with a sprinkle of salt and pepper, or a drizzle of olive oil. This is a great way to get a healthy dose of fiber, vitamins, and healthy fats. In salads, avocado can be added to salads for extra flavor and nutrition. It pairs well with a variety of vegetables, such as lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, and bell peppers. In smoothies, avocado can be added to smoothies for a creamy texture and extra nutrition. It pairs well with other fruits, such as bananas, berries, and mangoes. As a spread, avocado can be mashed and used as a spread on toast or as a dip for vegetables. This is a great way to replace high-fat spreads, such as butter or margarine. Avocado is a low-carb fruit that is high in healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. The carbs in avocado provide numerous health benefits, including improved digestion, better blood sugar levels, and a reduced risk of chronic diseases. Its low glycemic index makes it a great choice for those following a low-carb or ketogenic diet. Incorporating avocado into your diet is easy and delicious, whether you eat it as a snack, in salads, smoothies, or as a spread. So why not try adding more avocado to your meals and snacks and reap the health benefits? Thanks for tuning into our video on the carbs in avocado. We hope you found this information helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more like it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to be notified when we post new content. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing more great content with you in the future. Thanks for watching.